Okay, hello. Ari here. We are going to show you how to use this MIDI controller that I developed for the Cyber Physical Systems course. We have a micro USB that's hooked up into the Arduino that we're going to plug straight into the USB port. And when we do that, you can see that, I don't know if you can tell or not, but the red light comes on there on the inside. It shows we are connected. And once we're connected, we're actually going to load up Ableton Live, the free trial version that I downloaded. It is the sequencer software that we're here going to use. And Ableton's loading. And once it loads up, we are going to close out of the free trial thing. Go to Options and select Preferences. And then you'll find MIDI here on the left side, link. And we want to make sure our input is the Arduino Micro and our output is the Arduino Micro. Then below we will have the MIDI ports that we have at the input, and we want the track for the input on and the remote for the input Arduino Micro on and the MIDI ports. Once that's set up, we should be okay to load up any instruments or drums that we want to put onto. So we have our categories here on the left. We'll just select a simple drum loop, load that up to the kit. And by double clicking, it automatically puts it onto the controller. As you can see down here in the bottom left, we have all these different, snares, the kicks, the hi-hats. And anytime I press or trigger, the signal is sent through the MIDI controller to the computer so we can record any little. So we'll just do a little demo. Push this circle here to record when we're ready, so try it out. And we'll click it again to stop. Now we can play it and listen to our nice little drum rack that we have on there. And as that's playing, we'll find a instrument to put on top of it, just something simple. Since I double clicked that one, it actually loaded it to where the drum kit was. We have to drag it across to the second MIDI slot we have there, and it'll load it onto a new MIDI rack for us. And we also can click the MIDI map up here to adjust any of the knobs that we'd like here on the left side. So we'll go MIDI, and then this is the new that we added here. So anytime I select, let's say this knob here, it's going to affect the sends and receives, so it'll adjust the delay. And as you can see, it mapped it there to this specific knob. And if we click this one, it'll map it to the other specific knob. And we exit out of the MIDI map. And when I hold it down, you can see that it adds to that delay and sends and receives. I'll select this one. That's the gain, actually. So if we want, we can mess around with this a little bit. Let's just record over that one. sounds like a little bit. Pretty terrible, but as you can see, there's a lot you can do with this. I'm not too efficient at making music, so we'll just show you something that we can actually do if we start a new live set here. That's pretty cool. We will load a MP3 file that I have downloaded. So if we go to clips and samples here, we can actually insert an audio track, and we will remember how. Find where that file was that I downloaded. And here it is. So we'll right click on that and we'll say slice to new MIDI track. And we want to preserve warp timing, yes. And we want to do, let's say slicing preset. Yeah, we'll just do built-in. And we want to do, this is how much it's going to slice each of the points. Let's try half note. No, we can try a bar actually. We'll do transient, I guess it's not going to let us, it's too big of a file. So we'll load it, and once it's loaded we can double click it and show down here. We can zoom in on the part that we want to specifically edit. So play it, will show this first part here. And we'll cut it right about here. So we'll highlight this area. And right click and slice the new MIDI track as we did before. And we'll do a bar. And looks like it's still a little too big. So what we can actually do is click warp here. And it'll warp it for us to cut it down a little bit. And let's do just even a smaller little bit. And we'll slice the new MIDI track. I guess we'll have to crop it. That's what we'll have to do.
I'm living.
And we're going to convert it to the melody track, see if this works. Not really sure actually. It is. It's not what we wanted actually, so let's try it again. Yeah. Drop sample. Now we have it all set. And none of it's working, so undo that. Let's actually just delete that and we'll start it new. So we'll drag it in.
I'm living. I'm living. I'm living.
Okay, now we have just the loop sample that we wanted there. So we can double click on this. Or right click, pardon me.
I'm living.
Stop it so we can not get irritated. Slice new MIDI track and it should be up, and preserved warp timing. Okay. Now we have so it actually did a pretty good job of looping for the beat. But what we want to do is go a little bit smaller and take this first part. Just a fraction there. And okay, and now when we make the MIDI sample, we're actually going to do a half note. Let's see what that does. So it's just something you can mess around with. There's a lot more you can do, add audio effects and everything, but really this is just a touch base in the capabilities that this controller can do. And maybe I'll make another video down the road to show a little bit more of the capabilities, but I'm still learning how to use Ableton, as we can see from this video, and I appreciate your time and thank you very much.